Several years ago, matter of fact, it was 2017 when Chief Lami was the chief of staff. So much of the equipment that we were running was very, very old. He put a plan together. We adopted that plan and started executing it. And today, what you see is a result of the collaboration between the administration and the leadership of the fire department.
If we're going to ask our firefighters to put themselves in harm's way, they ought to have the best. We're doing our very best to hire the brightest. We need to make sure that they have the best equipment to support them.
All about you, in that it improves our response time. It makes sure that we have at hand the best equipment that we can possibly have from a life safety standpoint to protect you and your family and your businesses. So it's a great day in the city of Mobile.